We need your help identifying some music of nature. I'm in South Carolina, and me and my son have been enjoying the outdoors while we can before it starts to turn cold. It is September 18th as of filming, and we've been noticing this strange noise for about a month. There are these chopped down trees near where we play, and we both notice this noise coming from these trees. When I approach the noise, even disturb the area where it is emanating from, it doesn't pause, like you would imagine an animal or an insect would. Please help me and my son solve this mystery. Leave a comment and let us know what this is. My son thinks it's either a snake or a ghost. So yeah, you're going to help him out a lot. Let's check out that noise.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay. I'm going to fall. 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 I'm not falling.